Dear children, yesterday I was taught you history lesson first as a revision. In this lesson, I was taught you the laws made by National Assembly. Now I will teach you France freed from monarchy and become a republic, declaration of war. Louis XVI entered into secret negotiations with the king of Persia, now Germany. अब जर्मनी कहते हैं पर्सिया को। जर्मनी का पहले नाम क्या था? पर्सिया। France neighboring countries got too much frightened of the developments in France since 1789. They were ready to send troops to put down the events. However, the National Assembly voted in favor of war against Persia and Austria in 1792. Volunteers from all over France came forward to join the army. They saw the war as one of the people against kings and aristocracies all over Europe. As the volunteers marched into Paris, they sang Marseilles as a patriotic song composed by Roger de l'Isle. This song is now national anthem of France. Difficulties. Economic difficulties and other losses brought the people during the Revolutionary Wars. Men were busy at the front fighting wars and women were at home managing the domestic affairs. But people were enthusiastic to continue with the revolution till equality was restored. Political clubs. The Constitution of the 1791 had granted political rights only to the wealthier section of society. Political club sprouted and become important area as for people to discuss the government policies and action plan. The most popular and successful club was that of the Jacobins, named after the former convent of Saint Jacobs in Paris. Women formed their own clubs too. Jacobin Club. Members of the Jacobin Club were primarily from the lower class of the society, like shopkeeper, pastry cooks, watchmakers, shoemaker, editors, daily wage earners, etc. The leader of the Jacobins was Maximilien Robespierre. A large group among the Jacobins took to wearing long straight trousers like those worn by law workers. It was done to set themselves apart from the fashionable section of the society who wore knee breeches. This was also aimed to ending the power of the aristocracy. They came to be referred to as sans places, meaning those without knee breeches. Place of Tuileries storm. On August 10th, 1792, the Jacobins protesting against the short supplies and high price of bread, stormed the palace of the Tuileries, massacred the king's guard and held the king as hostage. The assembly voted in favor of impeaching the royal family. Election. In the election that were held, all men above the age of 21 were given the right to vote. France, a republic, a convention as newly elected assembly obliged monarchy and declared France a republic on 21st September 1792. Louis XVI, accusation of the king. Louis XVI was charged with the treason and executed publicly on 21st January 1793 at the Place de la Concorde. Marie Antoinette, his wife, met with the same fate. The reason of terror, bloody conflict. The period from 1793 to 1794 is referred to as the Reign of Terror. The reason is it was a period of violence that occurred for more than 1 year. Bloody conflict took place between political functions and marked by mass execution of enemies of the revolution. Step taken by Robespierre. Maximilien Robespierre followed a policy of sharp control and punishment. He got arrested all enemies of the public, ex-nobles and clergy, members of other political parties, even members of his own party who did not agree with the methods, and then tried by a revolutionary tribunal. The persons found guilty were guillotined. The guillotine is a device consisting of two poles and a blade with which a person is beheaded. It was named after Dr. Guillotine, who invented it. In act of law, the new government issued the law placing a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Meat and bread were rationed. Gone into cities, peasants were forced to transport their grain to the city and sell it at price fixed by the government. Equality in bread. The use of more expensive white flour was forbidden. All the citizens were required to eat the pain, equality bread, a loaf made of whole wheat. Speeches and address. Equality is also sought to be practiced through form of speech and addresses. Now, citizens. Instead of the traditional Monsieur, Sir and Madam, all the French men and women were henceforth citoyens and citoyennes. Now, churches shut down. Churches were shut down and their buildings converted into barracks of offices. Intensification. The intensification of the reign of the terror caused many influential members of convention and of the Jacobin Club to fear for their own safety. End of Robespierre. Now, next day.